After Apple announced it'll be raising the prices of its Macs and iPads due to memory shortage, it looks like the company may be getting stingier with RAM upgrades in its next budget iPhones as well. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Ming-Chi Kuo, a longtime industry analyst known for his accurate Apple predictions, says that Apple's upcoming iPhone 18 and 18e may feature 9GB RAM, whereas iPhone 18 Pro, Pro Max, and folding iPhone are expected to stick with 12GB. Apple faces a unique predicament given the state of the mobile market. The current memory crisis comes as the company tries to catch up with RAM-hungry on-device AI and Siri features it showed off at WWDC 2026. As Apple needs to increase the amount of RAM to keep the system running smoothly, it has to find a balance to avoid driving prices higher, or at least too much higher. That's especially important on more budget-focused devices like the base iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e. Still, a 1GB increase would be an awkward step. For context, the last RAM upgrade Apple did on its lower-end iPhone models was from 6GB to 8GB between the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16. On its Pro models, and we saw an even bigger jump from 8GB to 12GB between the iPhone 16 Pro and 17 Pro. Apple's already rumored to be splitting up its iPhone launches this year due to the RAM shortage. The expectation is that we'll see the Pro models and the folding iPhone potentially dubbed the iPhone Ultra debut this fall. Meanwhile, the base 18 models and 18e will arrive early next year. And since memory shortage is soaring, a smaller RAM upgrade for the base models wouldn't be surprising. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.